Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Howdy. You want more information about Antiseptics for Dogs? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about antiseptics for dogs is www.petco.com. Specifically the page titled Septiderm V Antiseptic Skincare Bath Grooming Shampoo for. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.petco.com, especially the page Remedy Plus Recovery Medicated Antiseptic Spray for Dogs at Petco. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.drugs.com. The web page Antiseptic/Pain Reliever Safe for Dogs. This is the link.